Do it. High five. Good job, buddy.
Yeah.
Get the snake hook.
Okay.
Let's walk down a little way. Or actually, let Daddy get one more in here.
And how?
Huh? I'll show you how to use that too. It's a nice day out today. Maybe we can find something moving.
And they're gonna roll me into the snake.
Yeah, Daddy wishes he could. Oh, there's a fish, Junior.
Where?
Out there, look. I was just about to say, Daddy wishes he could catch a fish so he could show you. Look.
Whoa.
Yeah. Look, come here.
Yeah.
You paying attention? Look, come here. Smacked it.
You got a fish.
Little football, Junior.